What happens if Superman accidentally sneezes in a crowded room? A sneeze is an involuntary, high-pressure, explosive release of air. But for a Kryptonian with lungs that can move tectonic plates, a simple achoo hits with the force of a Mach 10 shockwave. He's essentially firing a supersonic air cannon that would shatter every window in a 3-block radius and liquefy the eardrums of anyone standing nearby. Living in a city for him is like living in a house made of wet tissue paper while trying not to breathe too hard. One stray allergy attack wouldn't just be embarrassing, it would be a localized natural disaster that turns a crowded coffee shop into a debris field in less than a second.